Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So as if you guys joined my live yesterday, I was talking a little bit further about my breakout strategy and how we would use the fib levels and for previous forecasts and all this stuff to kind of forecast price for like certain tickers, right? Nike recently had a breakout, and the actual play that I'm going to be doing for this is going to be July. It's going to be about a month out, so July 30th, a little bit further. I would actually probably recommend the August 6th ones because time is always better. But I'm actually going to be doing a three-set play for this. So if you're on Robinhood, you can hit select on the top right. I personally will be buying 155, a 160, and 165 call set for this. So this would is going to round up to somewhere like I would think that these are probably going to be worth a little bit more at open. I They might jump up a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I might wait like an hour after open to buy in. But I'm essentially buying these three calls for 760. If we actually start retesting previous, so if we actually start retesting that previous fib level, like I told you guys, because I think there's a chance that we might come back to what 148. If we actually come back to 148, I might actually double down on my position, and I would buy another set of those three calls all over again. But again, these would be a month out for Nike. It did create that perfect candle that we saw. It did break previous highs, and I am expecting it to run towards what is it, 164, hopefully in the next month or so, because it does look like it has a tendency of taking around at least a couple weeks to actually hit these new highs, right? So I would say that for Nike, I'm definitely bullish, and I definitely think it's going to 164. But my right now, my call positions are going to be 155, 160, and 165 at market open for Nike on July 30th. So I'll see you guys later.